everyone! In today's video, I'm going to do another bloom flower with some of my favorite colors to paint with. I actually don't wear a lot of these colors in real life, but I have my magenta, orange, and yellow mixed up, and I'm going to just stick with my white house paint for my base coat, and then I have gold to make some cells, and then I also have some black. So I'm just, again, still working on a wood circle. It's a 16-inch wood circle. It's a 1/2 inch thick, so I'm not worried about any warping. I have my house paint that I'm putting down, and then I have it taped to my cake stand, my spinner, so that it won't fly off. And I always like a lot of these colors. I'm gonna do probably mostly pink and then a little bit of that orange and yellow, and then we'll blow them out and see what kind of design I can get. Let's blow this out. I just have my small hair dryer, that nice little concentrator on it, and I leave it on the low setting. That works well for me. Okay, so my colors were really thick. That hairdryer didn't really move them as much as I wanted them to, so I'm definitely gonna spin and hopefully pull some of that paint out a little bit. Ooh, I pulled it backwards. Okay, so this one is not turning out as well as I had wanted it to, so I may blow the colors a little bit more. Okay, so I have a different hair dryer. It's also a Revlon hair dryer. It works well. I've used it for blooms in the past. It's definitely got a stronger airflow. So I'm gonna try this out and see what I can do. I'm gonna leave it on the cool setting and possibly go to high. All right, so I'm gonna leave that. It almost has a little bit of a layered effect where some darker color on top and then the lighter color under the bottom. I had one little smear of paint there, so I'm gonna wipe that off. Spin, just, nope, I don't think it's gonna move anymore because I blew a lot of the paint off already and it was very thick. But yes, so I think what I can do is kind of angle this a little bit and make a stem when I'm all finished. Once this is all dry, I will get that stem added on and then get some pictures of it. But I hope you guys like this technique. Like I said, I have been doing quite a few of these, so I will move on to something else. But it was really fun to try something different, especially when you learn something like the bloom technique, where it has really specific mixtures that you're using for your paint, but using them in a slightly different way to create something different. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.